So hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to change the Cookhouse menu in Whiteout Survival. Changing the menu, let's pick it up with different type of meals for your survivors. So you need to find first Cookhouse menu. As you see, you'll see a logo just like see Cookhouse menu. Click on it. Now you can click on the productions as you see on the yellow icon. If you click here, you can choose any nutrition meal that you want. Now, like if you select the nutrition meal, it usually less meat but doesn't give you as much as hunger recovery. On the other hand, the fancy meal costs more meat but gives your survivors a lot of more hunger replacement. Which one you pick depends on your researchers and what you need at the moment. For example, if you have plenty of meat for the fancy meal, since it helps your people more, if your resources are low, and the nutrition meal may be the smarter option. And now that's it. That's how you change the Cookhouse menu in Whiteout Survival. Just find out the Cookhouse, open the production, press on the yellow bar, and then choose the meal that fits on your situation best. Hopefully this guide helped you out, and if it did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorial video.